teachers and my dear friends, and welcome to the grand celebration of Independence Day. Today we complete 75 years of independence. After 200 years of slavery under the British Empire, it was August 15, 1947 when India became an independent nation.
On this day, the national flag was hoisted on Red Fort, Delhi by our first Prime Minister Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. The great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives in the independence struggle are remembered with a lot of respect, and Jawans who lost their lives on the battlefield are paid homage. I wish everyone happy Independence Day and hope for building a beautiful and clean nation together.
Jai Hind!
Our independence journey. Creators Manjit Mondal, Aryaman Goop, Anish and Srithanya.
Introduction speech on Independence Day. Hello everyone. We are here to present a welcome speech for Independence Day. Today it's our 75th Independence Day and we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom of speech, freedom to live life in our own way. We do not have to follow anybody's slavery. But this was not the case 75 years ago when we were a slave to the British government.
India has been ruled by Britishers for almost 200 years, and after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighters, we achieved independence on 15 August 1947. On this day, the national flag is hoisted on the Red Fort in Delhi by a Prime Minister every year. Since then, we are celebrating Independence Day in every government department, schools and colleges. This is a day of pride and joy for every citizen of the country. Jai Hind!
Information about our freedom fighters. Freedom fighters were people who sacrificed their lives selflessly for the freedom of their country. Every country has its fair share of freedom fighters. People look up to them in terms of patriotism and love for one's country. They are considered the epitome of patriotic people. Some of the freedom fighters of India are Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, etc.
Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was also known as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Porbandar State, Captive Agency, British Raj. Mahatma Gandhi died on 30 January 1948 at the age of 78 at New Delhi, India. Mahatma Gandhi's cause of death was assassination, gunshot wounds. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is widely recognized as one of the 20th century's greatest political and spiritual leaders, honored in India as the father of the nation. He pioneered and practiced the principle of satyagraha, resistance to tyranny through mass non-violent civil disobedience. Mahatma Gandhi's spouse was Kasturba Gandhi.
Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack, British India, Odisha Division, Bengal Province, present-day Cuttack, Odisha State, India. He died on 18th August 1945 at the age of 48 at Army Hospital, Nanmon Branch, Taihoku, Japanese Taiwan. Present-day Taipei City Hospital, Hepingpoyo Branch, Taipei, Taiwan, which is not confirmed. His cause of death was due to third-degree burns from an air crash, which is also not confirmed. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose patriotism towards India has left a mark in the hearts of many Indians. He is famously known as the founder of Azad Hind Fauj, and his famous slogan is "Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga."
Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born in September 1907, Banga, Punjab, British India, present-day Punjab, Pakistan. He died on 23rd March 1931 at the age of 22, Center, Lahore, Punjab, British India, present-day Punjab, Pakistan. His cause of death was execution by hanging. In 1929, protesting against the Defence of India Act, he and an accomplice threw a bomb at the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi before surrendering. While in jail, Singh helped organize a hunger strike to protest against the prisoner mistreatment demonstration that gained him wide support in India.
Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was also known as Manikarnika Tambe. She was born on 19 November 1828 at Benares, Kingdom of Kashi, Benares, present-day Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India. She died on 17th June 1858 at the age of 29 at Kota Ki Serai, Gwalior, Gwalior State, British India, present-day Madhya Pradesh, India. Lakshmi Bai was also known as Jhansi Ki Rani, was the queen of Maratha princely state of Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh, India. Lakshmi Bai actively participated in the 1857 rebellion against the British colonial government. Happy
Independence Day!
Thank you for watching.
Let us warmly welcome our first participant of singing, which is Tinish Chakraborty. Now, let's welcome our next participants who are going to dance. So, let's welcome Adrita Bit, Angira Chattopadhyay and Harshita Biswas.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Ah तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू, मेरे वतन आबाद रहे वतन, मेरे वतन रहे तू।
Oh wow, what a beautiful performance. During this pandemic situation, we are doing Independence Day celebration online and so much smoothly. This will be a historic memory for us. Now our next participant, Tanisha Chakraborty, will give a small recitation. Let's welcome her.
নমস্কার। বিদ্রোহী কবি কাজী নজরুল ইসলামের কান্ডারি হুঁশিয়ার। দুর্গম গিরিকান্তার মরু দুস্তর পারাবার, লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার। তুলিতেছে তরি, ফুলিতেছে জল, ভুলিতেছে মাঝি পথ, ছিড়িয়াছে পাল, কে ধরিবে হাল, আছে কার হিম্মত? কে আছো জোয়ান, হও আগুয়ান, হাকিছে ভবিষ্যৎ। এই তুফান ভারী, দিতে হবে পারি, নিতে হবে তরি পার। তিমির রাত্রি, মাতৃমন্ত্রী, শান্তিরা সাবধান, যুগ যুগান্ত সঞ্চিত ব্যথা, ঘষিয়াছে অভিযান। ফেনাইয়া ওঠে বঞ্চিত বুকে পুঞ্জিত অভিমান, ইহাদের পথে নিতে হবে সাথে, দিতে হবে অধিকার। অসহায় জাতি মরিছে ডুবিয়া, জানে না সন্তরণ। কান্ডারি আজ দেখিব তোমার মাতৃমুক্তিপণ। হিন্দু না ওরা মুসলিম, এই জিজ্ঞাসে কোন জন? কান্ডারি বল ডুবিছে মানুষ, সন্তান মোর মার। কান্ডারি তব সমুখে ওই পলাশির প্রাণগণ। বাঙালির খুনে লাল হলো যেথা ক্লাইভের খঞ্জর। ওই গঙ্গায় ডুবেছে হায় ভারতের দিবাকর। উদিবেছে রবি আমাদেরই খুনে, রাঙিয়া পুনর্বার। ফাঁসির মঞ্চে গেয়ে গেল যারা জীবনের জয়গান, আসি অলক্ষ্যে দাঁড়াইছে তারা, দিবে কোন বলিদান? আজ পরীক্ষা জাতির অথবা জাতের করিবে ত্রাণ। দুলিতেছে তরি, ফুলিতেছে জল, কান্ডারি হুঁশিয়ার। নমস্কার।
This is the most applicable recitation for the Independence Day. It's a good piece, Tanisha. Now let's welcome our next participant of singing. So please welcome Riddhi Bose.
देखा पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे पे बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया। थैंक यू।
Let's be proceeded to the drawings and the one and only piano player Jyotirmadhar.
Awesome drawings and music, dear artists and Jyotirmoy. So let's not wait and move further with our next singing participant, Srijit Paul.
Hello, I am Srijit. Happy Independence Day to all my respected teachers and friends. I will sing a Bengali song on this special day.
দূর করো
Sajna. Now we welcome the next dancers, Stuti Chakraborty, Riddhima Adhikari and Sadia Islam.
बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा।
तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे।
तब जय गाथा,
जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Thank you for watching this video. Thanks to our all classmates and our respected class teacher Miss Chandana, without whom we won't be able to conduct this presentation. Thank you Miss for being with us.